YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to be talking about arbitrage trading. So in this video I'm going to be giving you the detailed information about arbitrage trading. So as I've indicated in the title of this video is strictly for beginners, as I'm only going to be revealing the basics of arbitrage trading. So if you're just trying to get started with arbitrage, you are having interest in trading arbitrage, then this video is meant for you, as I'm going to be revealing all the basics information you need to know about arbitrage trading, how it works, and the type of arbitrage trading that we are having. But before I proceed with this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that right now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a new video, you get notified that we drop a video. Thank you. So you're welcome back. As I've said, I'm going to be providing you with detailed information on arbitrage trading, how you can get started with arbitrage trading. In our previous guide on browsingtechno.com, where you go to browsingtechno.com, let's say you visit browsingtechno.com, we've released a detailed guide on arbitrage. So I am just releasing this video in order to complement the guide and make sure to be able to give you some detailed explanation about the guide. So when you search for arbitrage on browsingtechno.com, so you will be able to get the can you see, so how to start arbitrage trading. But this video is not limited to a locality nor a particular country, it is worldwide. So whatever you are able to see in this video, it is applicable for everyone. But this video I am going to explain two types of arbitrage here. So the one arbitrage is applicable to everyone, and the second one is applicable to Nigerians only, or other countries that their local currency is not dollar. So if your local currency is dollar, then the dollar arbitrage will not be able to work for you. But regardless of the currency that you're having in your country, then the crypto arbitrage is going to be able to work for you. So obviously I have been able to inform you that there are two types of arbitrage trading. So when it comes to arbitrage trading, especially in Nigeria, we have dollar arbitrage and we have crypto arbitrage. So when we're talking about arbitrage trading is just the act of taking opportunities. You just buy low at one exchange and sell high at the other exchange. Then you remove the profit and repeat the process. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So that is what it meant by arbitrage trading. And as I've said at the beginning of this video, I am only going to be giving you the detailed information on arbitrage trading, how arbitrage works. In our future video, I might be able to show you a platform that you can make use to trade your arbitrage and make profit. But for now, if you're a beginner, you're just getting started with arbitrage, you need to know how it works, what you can actually get from trading arbitrage, and what you can do to complement your efforts in trading arbitrage. So as you can see my screen here, this is talking about arbitrage trading. As I've said, this describes arbitrage trading as a strategy where an investor simultaneously buy and sell an asset. So I think you can actually deduct what I've said. I said it's actually taking advantage of market price. So you buy from different markets and take the advantage of difference in price to generate profit. That's exactly what arbitrage means. So whatever you can trade arbitrage in, it's not even applicable to online only. You can trade arbitrage offline. So let's say you have a product. You can actually, and you see maybe in your local area they are selling that product at a very high price, and then when you go outside your locality, you actually discover somewhere where they are selling that particular product at a lesser price. You can actually buy that particular product from that outside your locality, bring it to your locality and sell it at higher price. Then you keep the profit and repeat the process. You keep generating income as much as possible. That's exactly how arbitrage works. When we are talking about crypto arbitrage it involves buying cryptocurrency in one exchange or anywhere you are opportune to buy a cryptocurrency from. Then you are going to sell it at another exchange at a very higher price. Let's say you buy Bitcoin at $22,000 at exchanger A, then you are going to be able to sell it at $23,000 at exchanger B. So that's exactly how arbitrage works. And when we're talking about dollar, so dollar arbitrage is actually act of sourcing for dollar at a lesser price, then you are going to be able to withdraw it or sell it to another trader at a very higher price. So can you see, as I've explained here, I'm actually the person that writes this article as well. So it exploits short-lived variation in price of identical or similar financial instruments in different markets or different forms. In other words, arbitrage traders are known as opportunists who take advantages of inevitable or inefficiency in markets. Let's say you have been using this particular platform for a very long time, and you vividly know that the normal price for Bitcoin as at the moment you log on to that particular exchanger, it is $22,000, and immediately you log on into that particular platform, you notice that the price for Bitcoin on that platform has dropped below $22,000, maybe to $21,000, $20,000, or it is like that. All you have to do is to rush back to another exchange. Let's say you log on to which exchange can I use as an example? Let's say you make use of Quiddas, and on getting to Quiddas, you detect that a particular asset have a lesser price. All you have to do is to go back to your Binance account. On getting to Binance account, if you if you detect that the price still remain normal, let's say Quiddas gave you $21,000 for Bitcoin price, and on getting to Binance it remained $22,000. All you have to do is to look for a means to fund your Quiddas account, then you buy Bitcoin from that area, then you sell it to your Binance account, then you remove the profits, and you will be able to repeat the process as many times as possible. Can you see? So this is exactly how arbitrage work. So this is why I said this is a triangular arbitrage. So this is a triangular arbitrage. Can you see? You have A links to B and B links to C. So when we're talking about triangular arbitrage deals with currency. So you buy another currency. When you enter market, you have to target the disparity between these currencies. Can you see? So in this triangular arbitrage, I make use of dollar, euro, and pounds to cite as an example. So can you see? These are the breakdown of how you can trade triangular arbitrage. Can you see? So this is the example of how you can be able to trade triangular arbitrage. So after triangular arbitrage, the next one is crypto arbitrage trading. So triangular arbitrage trading, it gives you profits, so as crypto arbitrage gives you profit as well, so as dollar arbitrage gives you profit as well. So the triangular arbitrage trading, you can engage in it at any location, maybe within this country, outside this country, or anywhere in the world. So you can actually trade them and bag your profit. So we are moving to crypto arbitrage here. I've already give you an example of crypto arbitrage, so I think I don't have to say much about this. All you have to do is to notice let's say disparity in price of any asset. It might be Bitcoin, it might be Litecoin, it might be Ethereum. The last arbitrage trading that I was able to trade, it is Tron TRS. So I make use of TRS in that particular arbitrage. So at that grateful day, that is why I said arbitrage traders are opportunists, because we take opportunities. So slight opportunity, even it might be an exchanger platform that you might know in the past, and maybe suddenly their rate drops below the other. There are sometimes now that we make use of Luno, though the charges attached at Luno makes it somehow difficult for us to be able to proceed with the process, but still we are able to accumulate some profits with the use of that method. At that moment, the price of Litecoin was very low. The price of Litecoin was very low at Luno, And when you're getting to something like Bodo application, something like Binance and co's, so you'll be able to sell them at higher price. So what I have to do is to fund our Luno wallet, then use it to buy Litecoin and transfer the Litecoin to Binance account. Then from Binance account, we will use P2P to sell um, the assets that we just transfer. That's the Litecoin. Then we withdraw our money directly to our bank account. So okay, so that's that about crypto arbitrage trading. As I've said, arbitrage trading, there is nothing much difficult in arbitrage trading. That is the reason why I said this is only a basic information for beginners. So in a future video, then I will be able to release all these platforms for you, how each platform work. I think in the next video I'm going to be able to emphasize on crypto arbitrage trading, giving you examples and instances, so in order to give you the opportunity to start your arbitrage trading process. But what I'm trying to let you know here is that arbitrage trading is opportunity. So you can actually make use of any platform. It might be your regular platform, the platform that you've been using in the past. Then anytime you discover there is maybe an asset that is having dropped in price, and you check other platform, they are still having higher price, then you can shoot your shot and be able to accumulate some profit within a very short period of time. So when we're talking about arbitrage trading, so this is crypto arbitrage sample by browsingtechzone.com. So this is a sample of what I said. This is a logo for my local bank account. This is a logo for this logo is for Coinbase, and this logo is for Binance. So all I have to do is to send money from my bank account to this Coinbase. At Coinbase, I can buy an asset. I'm just using as an example. Let's say I can buy Bitcoin at the rate of $19,000, and I can sell it on Binance at the rate of $21,000. Then I will get my $21,000 and send it back to my bank account. So immediately I send it back to my bank account, I will remove my initial $19,000. Then I'll be left with what? I'll be left with $2,000 profit. So the more money you use in trading arbitrage, the more profit you will be able to get within a very short period of time. So let's say you are having 100,000 naira, then it means you are going to repeat a transaction 10 times before you accumulate the amounts someone that is using 1 million to trade the same arbitrage with you. You're going to repeat your own transaction 10 times before you realize the profit they are able to accumulate at once. I hope you understand what I'm talking about right now. So this is typical example of arbitrage trading. Is it either arbitrage trading, crypto trading, triangular trading is very different from this one, because you're going to be able to exchange between currencies. But here, all you have to do is just to discover a change in price between two platforms, and you are going to take the advantage on this platform. Here, there is no much calculation here, but when we're talking about triangular arbitrage, so you will need more calculation, more knowledge, and let me say more strategic movement is needed at that point. But here, once you are able to discover a platform, like in our next video, I am going to give you a particular platform that you will be able to use for Bitcoin arbitrage trading. So you are going to be able to buy Bitcoin at a very low price on this platform that I'm going to be revealing to you in our next video, and you're going to be able to send it to your Binance account, and you'll be able to sell it on your Binance account and send the money back to your Nigeria bank account. So if you like, you'll be able to repeat the process as many times as possible. So can you see? So that's about that. So I think I am left with dollar arbitrage trading. So in this video, I have been able to provide you with detailed information about triangular arbitrage trading, crypto arbitrage trading, and then this is dollar arbitrage trading. I think you can find detailed information on dollar arbitrage trading here. The dollar arbitrage trading is the very it is very simple one. Let's say the simplest one here. So dollar arbitrage trading is very simple. Let me give you as an example. Let's say you want to start this dollar arbitrage trading. All you have to do is to look for a valid and active PayPal account. Then you buy funds from maybe individuals that are having PayPal funds for sale. Let's say you buy PayPal at the rate of $500, 500 naira per dollar from those individuals. Then you're going to be able to sell it at the rate of 700, 720 per dollar at your official exchange rate. I think I released a video on how to withdraw from PayPal directly to your Nigerian bank account. So if you watch that video, you will understand exactly what I'm talking about right in this dollar arbitrage trading. So this dollar arbitrage trading does involve your sourcing for dollar at the lower price. So if you check the let's say the official exchange rate in Nigeria, it's around 450, 460. Why the black market rate is 720 as at the moment of recording this video. As at the moment of recording this video. Later it might increase, it might decrease. So but for now, as at the moment I am speaking with you right now, the dollar exchange rate at official window is around 460, 461 naira per dollar. But when it gets to black market, you'll be able to exchange $1 for 720 naira, 740 naira, 750 naira and above. Imagine getting a dollar at the rate of 500 naira and be able to you are having the opportunity to sell it at the rate of 720 naira. Let's say charges and etc like that. Let's sacrifice the 20 naira for charges. That means you are going to be able to get 200 naira profit on each dollar you are able to get from official source, and you sell it at the black market. So that is as simple as dollar arbitrage trading is. So I think with this video you've been able to get one or two, and you are able to detect more information about arbitrage trading. So that is the reason why I said this particular video is for beginners if you're just getting started with arbitrage trading, because I just revealed the basics information about arbitrage trading. There is more in this guide, and if you want to learn more about arbitrage trading, you can just go to browsingtechzone.com and search for arbitrage trading, just as I've shown you at the beginning of this video. Then you're going to be able to locate this guide and read it carefully. It's going to be able to get you started with your arbitrage trading journey. So in our next video, as promised, I am going to continue with this arbitrage class, where I will be explaining crypto arbitrage trading in more logical way by showing you a particular platform and how it is being done. So but for now, watch this video carefully, read the guide I've revealed to you alongside with the guide, and you'll be able to have basics information about arbitrage trading. All you have to be waiting for is an opportunity for you to be able to shoot your shots. If you're having any question as regards to this video, all you have to do is to drop it in the comment section of this video, and I will be glad to provide the appropriate response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.